Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find General Management. Here we've got reset option, so simply tap on it, and as you can see, actually on the second position we've got the option we are looking for, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, then enter to confirm. And now we've got the info that all network settings will be reset and this action cannot be undone. So let's tap on reset if you are ready. And as you can see, network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.